My name is Justin Stevens, and welcome to the mission. So, I have been on a crazy entrepreneurial journey through life, and I am using everything I've learned so far to make an impact on our future. I believe that I believe a lot. I believe there's a lot of opportunities for our society to get better, work together, and do it in a way that everyone wins. And that is my vision, that's my mission. Right now, I'm building America's holding company. I don't even know if it's going to work, but I'm trying. And that's what I want you to do. I want you to think about how can you impact people's lives? How can you make a difference out there for more people? And then try to do it. So I'm going to be documenting my journey on how I think we should change employee compensation in America and incorporate the value of the years throughout our system. So that's my focus. I'll be sharing on this channel about my vision, my dream, what I'm trying to accomplish. I'm going to be taking you on this journey with me. I see myself as a reporter, reporting on what I'm learning, how I'm applying it, and how I am trying to impact our culture. So, if that sounds exciting, if it sounds interesting, I want to invite you to follow along. Get involved. At the very least, you can learn with me. If you really want to help, there's ways you can through being an affiliate. Sharing these videos, sharing the content I create is a huge help. So whatever you want to do, and do it. It's your time. You own it. You own the method of production. I'm not going to tell you what to do. That's your decision. So, if you want a better world, join me in creating it. With that said, enjoy my channel, enjoy the content, and we'll see you soon.